How to fix lag in Hogwarts Legacy. Open up your computer search for Epic Games Launcher, open it up. Now once the Epic Games Launcher loads, you want to find Hogwarts Legacy, click on the three dots, then click on Manage. Now right here you will click on Open Install Location. It's gonna give us the folder, and you want to right click on Hogwarts Legacy, show more options, and then go into Properties. And from the compatibility tab, you want to check these three options: compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. We need to do one more thing. You will click on the address bar here at the top, right click, copy this address. Now we can close this as well. Open up your computer search and search for graphics settings. Now from here, what you have to do is click on Add Desktop App, and then you will just paste the address. Click on Enter. You will select Hogwarts Legacy and click on Add. And once you have it added, then from the GPU preference, it's gonna be on Let Windows Decide. You wanna set this to high performance. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.